The following question is talking about the industrial fractional distillation of petroleum, and it's shown. This is your fractional distillation. You have petroleum is a mixture of different compounds, and these compounds are separated by fractional distillation. So, petroleum vapor is passed through this chamber, and as it cools, the higher melting boiling point, bigger molecules they condense first. So, you obtain these bigger molecules first, and smaller molecules, because they have lower melting and boiling points, they condense later. So, you get all these fractions. Now, the question is, which process happens at Y? Y is the part where you're evaporating crude, this petroleum. You're evaporating it. So the correct option is going to be evaporation. So the evaporated petroleum is passed through where it condenses slowly as the melting and boiling points temperature drops, and you get different fractions at different points. Higher temperatures at the bottom, so higher melting boiling point substances they condense first, and lower melting and boiling point substances they condense later on.